This is the Capri Master Hex Socket Set. There's not really a whole lot to be said about it. It's good. Don't get me wrong, it's cheap, it's good. Price is right, quality is, I'd say good. It's got pretty much everything you'll need, everything you'll run into. How much did I pay for it? $46. Comes with 5/64, 3/32, 1/8, 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, quarter, 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 5.5, 6. For the larger sizes, it'll focus. 9/32, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 17, 19. Everything you'll need. I think the biggest hex I've ever used is brake calipers. And that's sure as hell not anything close to 19. So, figured just give you guys a look. It doesn't take a lot of money to buy tools. It doesn't take a lot to work on cars. You make a lot of money real quick. Not very many tools. So if you need anything, hit me up. I'll be happy to help answer any questions or help you try to find tools or what you're looking for. Talk to you later.